Satu dulu.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello, let me introduce our group. My name is Muhammad Badra Akbar. My ID student is 61.
And my name is Ratu Nadia. My ID student is 166.
My name is Muhammad Nurul Iqbal. My ID student is 149.
We are gonna explain about an adjective phrase. See you.
Okay, I'm gonna explain about what is adjective phrase meaning. Adjective phrase is a group of word consisting of two or more words that functions to explain or provide additional information about a noun or pronoun in the sentence. There's three that we're gonna discuss, that we're gonna talk on this topic. Is about function. At the first is about functions and the adjective phrase structure. Okay, this is the function of adjective phrases. For adding a quality point, adjective phrases is for adding some qualities or characteristics to a noun or pronouns. And for the more specific thing, adjective phrases providing more detailed and specified information about the subject or object in a sentence. It also can be for building a richer phrase, which means giving a lot of improvisation or improvisation for the phrase, combining several words to create a deeper image or meaning.
Okay, now we'll discuss the structure of adjective first. We'll discuss there are three in to create adjective phrase here. The first is one, adjective plus adjective. This type of adjective phrase is made by using two adjectives together to describe a noun. For example, good little cat. The word good is an adjective. The word little is also an adjective. When we put them together, it little, they form an adjective phrase that describes the noun cat.
The second one is adverb plus adjective. Adverb used in adjective phrase is an adverb of degree, which is used to strengthen or modify the meaning of the adjective itself. Adverb of degree such as very, quiet, to, extremely, rather, and so. For the example, he is too shy to speak in public. To as adverb and shy as adjective.
Now, is the point number 3 is explain about preposition plus adjective. For the example, Rere, the girl with long hair. In this sentence, with is referred to prepositions and long is for adjective.
Okay, that's all the explanation, a little explanation about adjective phrase that are from our group. If something mistakes, we'll probably say sorry and goodbye. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.